Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we'll be discussing M1 Finance compared to Titan, compared to SoFi Invest, and which app is best for passive investing, especially for beginners. Let's get started. So right here, as you can see, I have a pros and cons display of SoFi, and you can see here it has a very high rating of 4.67 out of 5, which is considerably high. And as you can see here, some benefits that we have is you can start with $1 to start investing. It has zero fees for active trading and automated investing. And there are bonuses available for people using SoFi. Now, as again, no account minimum, no account or trading fees, and you have access to certified financial planners. A few cons that we have is that no tax loss harvesting, an advanced investing technique where you sell a stock or mutual fund at a loss for a tax benefit. You can't do that on SoFi. And you have no option for stop loss orders when actively investing. SoFi's active investing account only uses market orders. And again, this is only available for US residents. Now, as you can see here, compared to M1, M1 has the account minimum of $100. As you can see, the rating here is 4.2 out of 5. It has a fee of $3 per month for clients, and it has a very high percentage of margin loans. And it has, again, same as SoFi, no tax loss harvesting available. So when you compare this to SoFi, you can easily see that SoFi is more beginner friendly, especially with a zero account minimum, with no fees for anything. So in that opinion, I would say that SoFi is far better than M1 Finance or Titan. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.